It's Andrea and David off on another old and bold freediving adventure, this time to Bali and beyond. And it's coming right up.
Old and bold, bold and old, you are just as good as gold.
Don't let the numbers stuff you around.
Take a big breath and dive on down. Bold and old. Bold and old.
We were still staying at Ekapanama Bungalows in Ahmed when we headed for Jemeluk Bay.
A 20-minute drive along the coast from Bali Bay.
It's famous for the underwater temple, which used to be known as the post office.
The temple is an easy snorkel or dive in only 3.5 metres of water. I decided to dive without fins for the extra challenge.
The whole idea of the temple and the surrounding structures is to encourage marine growth and fish life.
There were plenty of corals in the shallows, but further out, the slopes are bare.
Coral regeneration structures like these give the corals something to grow from. In a few years, the whole area should be teeming with corals, sponges and fish life. Further down the slope, we found another coral regeneration field. This one courtesy of the Netherlands-based Coral Reef Care and the local divers co-op P3A.
It was a bit deeper than the other structures at around 7 metres, but still an easy dive.
Returning to the beach, we saw the cutest little fish. We thought that little fish was trying to hide from us, didn't we, David?
Yeah, but then we found out that harlequin and sweet-lipped juveniles have a hard time trying to control their buoyancy. And so they're always swimming down and trying to get underneath something.
Yeah. Apparently they're hard to find, so it was a rare sighting.
And one thing we like about this site is the way the effort the locals are putting into trying to regrow corals and provide habitats for fish life.
A lot of marine life was killed off over the years by destructive fishing practices and climate change. But now they've got a chance to get it all back.
I've actually put a link to Coral Reef Care in the description down below for anyone who'd like to find out more or maybe get involved.
And next time, we'll be looking at the work of an artist whose underwater sculptures are world famous. And I'll be the one who's diving with no fins.
And keep an eye out for it.
Okay, that's all from us now. Bye.
Bye.